Today I'm going to talk about what is remote closing and why is everybody talking about it.
High ticket closing is one of the most valuable skills.
Remote sales jobs have incredible potential.
The trend is your friend into remote closing.
Hi, my name is Kruze, founder of the Kruze Institute, a new online skill where you can close high-end sales remotely for online business owners, coaches, and consultants from anywhere in the world. So you can sell coaching and consulting programs between $5,000 and $50,000. You've probably been seeing people like myself pop up all over the internet, or maybe Sabri Subi, Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi, Tana Chidesta, and other people out there that have coaching programs and services that they need help selling. Well, a remote closer is somebody that basically enrolls these leads into clients on behalf of these online business owners in this fast-growing space. This is a over $50 billion a year industry right now that it's expected to triple in the coming years. So it should be over $100 billion in the coming years. And you're able to jump on the end of this process and close sales for these business owners and be paid between 10 to 15% in commission and be given warm leads that are coming inbound through Facebook ads, YouTube, TikTok, and LinkedIn. So you've probably been seeing people pop up all over the internet and this space growing, and you're probably wondering like what happens when these leads come through, or you maybe have been on the receiving end of this. Well, this is a remote setter or a remote closer that's talking to you. They're working from home or anywhere in the world, and they're talking with you, and they're booking you in for an appointment with what is called a remote closer. So this person talks with you, they take you through a process, and then if you're interested, they'll enroll you, and they get paid as a result of that because it's an in-demand skill and a specialized skill that every business owner needs, where you're basically closing the sales for them. This isn't new. Like, sales is the oldest profession in the world. It's just a much more sexy and leveraged way to do sales, where you can work from anywhere you want. You can be paid massive commissions between 10 to 20%, and you can also do it 4 hours a day. So it's a lot more leveraged, where you can create your own schedule, have the benefits of being a business owner, self-employed, and actually have good leads and work with inspiring online brands that are doing 7 or 8 figures a year, that have high quality leads, top brands with a good online presence, and then you slot into their existing infrastructure, talk their leads, and close the sales. So if you want to learn more about this skill set and how people are getting into it, we're going to be doing a lot more videos on this channel. So click the subscribe button and you can subscribe to the channel, and we're going to do more videos on remote setting and closing. Bye for now.